That's good to have you back for another video. So to reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can reset the service indicator of a Nissan Leaf full electric after changing the filters. There's an indicator popping up on the dashboard, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at the channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first of all, press the ignition off, then back on to the second position. Then we're gonna use these buttons over here. Maintenance, you had a popping up, maintenance popping up over here. Press this arrow button to the right and find the settings area over here. Once there, press OK. Then scroll down to maintenance, press OK. Then scroll down to other, press OK. Scroll down to reset, press OK. Confirm by pressing OK, and you'll see that the maintenance indicator won't show up when you start up the car. Let's do the test. Start up the car. There was always a maintenance indicator popping up in this screen over here, and now it's gone. Press the return button to get to the home menu, like this. That was it for this video. This was a 2019 Nissan Leaf, and this is how you reset the maintenance indicator. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.